We're here. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, I'm Lauren and I run this account. It's Disney Life with Lauren on YouTube. If you haven't checked out my various other videos, then please go and check them out. I've been to Disney World and Universal a few times and I've been doing some home vlogs as well. So yeah, if you haven't already, check them out and please subscribe. It would really help my channel. I'm here today at the Harry Potter studio tour. So it's the one in Watford. If you've never been, then obviously carry on watching, and if you're at all interested in going, then yeah, carry on watching to find out what we get up to today. This trip was actually rearranged from April, so I'm really excited. Obviously we have to wear the mask, so hopefully you can hear me. Otherwise I will take you through and show you everything as we go along. So come along and yeah, come and have fun with us today. Okay, we've just walked into the main hall. This is so cool. So there's cafe there, shop there. Oh, Fantastic Beasts. Marauders map. There's the Marauders map up there. We're getting you on in today, boy. Oh, look at these. Oh, I'm getting one of them after. Oh, they're so cool. So where is, oh no, Butterbeer's in there, isn't it? So this is all like ice cream and milkshakes, hot chocolate. So I'll probably be getting one of them and then I'm going to be getting the Butterbeer. Oh, look at that! We're going into the studio tour now. As far as I'm aware, we can't actually film the first two rooms. So I'll get back to you after we go in. Okay, we've just come out of the Great Hall. So all the models. I know that the composer was John Williams. Oh look, the candles are going up and down. Okay, so these are the Gryffindor dormitories of the boys. It's like next to everything else, so it's like slap bang in the middle. And if you have a look, it's like rough timber up there. So cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. What's this? Here we go. Set constructions and all the wands. And we've got more of the set here. Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? The Order of the Phoenix over here.
The common room was the hub of the life of our particular characters. I always thought of it as the home that Harry had never had.
That initially was the idea. It was intended to contrast with Harry's cupboard under the stairs in Pruitt.
So I just picked up this Harry Potter passport. Not entirely sure what you do with it, but I'm going to take it home as a little souvenir. It's very cute. There's some of the more of the costumes.
There's a huge worn carpet.
I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
That's why we chose the blue house. That was our rule.
So cool. I don't even think there'd be anything touch here, but yeah, there's the map. Turn the page right and turn the page left. So cool. So just for your information, there's like hand sanitizers everywhere. There are markers on the floor, but not a lot of people are adhering to the rules, unfortunately. So it's very, very busy in here. So in one room it is. Hopefully it will get a little less busy as we go through. So they're the main three's outfits. Griffin stairwell.
Magical. It's very unusual, interesting.
So this is one of the sets that's here all the time. They just decided not to rip it down. And yeah, they've kept it. And all the pictures are all hand painted as far as I'm aware.
I know you're looking at a telescope, and that's the big thing up there, that's the ceiling. But
And all the props. Commodore's bookshelves. Hundreds of books cover the shelves Dumbledore. Cool. Wow, the detail in that is amazing, isn't it? So there's some props there for you. Prison number. Philosopher's Stone. Very cool. So this whole bit that we're going into now is all props. Whoa, that's making my eyes go funny. Look at that. I think you've got to be here to see it though. That was moving a second ago. Hopefully we can stand here and it will move again. This is the potions. Oh look, it's moving over there. There we go. They are stirring themselves. Oh, I love him. So It's the celebration of Slytherin.
I can teach you a degree which the mind and small essence.
Look at all the detail in the potions. You've seen all the potions back there? Look at that.
See, I filmed millions of like that.
Yeah.
It's in the film, it's not been added here.
That was actually in the film. That's so cool.
Maybe some of you have come to Hogwarts in possession of abilities so formidable you do feel confident.
This is Hagrid's hut. Look at the dog. Hello, dog. Oh, amazing. Hagrid lived in a small wooden house on the edge of Forbidden Forest. There was only one room inside. And then we've got the game of Quidditch over here, which is what they wore. Pets that they went through, obviously animal actors. Then this is the wall of the broomsticks. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, I've got it. I'm going to be doing this 100%. This is where you can ride on your broom, as that little boy is doing, which is very cool. I'm not too sure how it works, but I've got, there we go, one broom flight video and one printed photo, I think it said. So obviously you have to pay for that. So in general, it's been amazing. We're now in the visual effects department with the props. So I'm just going to show you some of them. Wow, look at that. So this is like the ride vehicle that's meant to be like Gringotts. You know, like in Florida, in Universal. That is the ride vehicle. Or the real one, we should say.
And reveal the new background.
Cool, eh?
For the broom flight over London, where they flew down the river, we shot people green screen on broomsticks, and then shot on planes.
Yep, Chamber of Secrets story.
Real locations, that's what we shot all the background lights that we used outside the windows and lights. On your inside the bus.
Oh, there it is, it's going, Jack. Woo!
Then the secondary level shoot plates in the area of the wall.
So, this is where you can knit the scarf and iron the dress. You just put your hands over it. Knit the scarf, iron the dress. I don't know where the dress is actually, to be honest. Where is it? Oh, it's over there, right in the corner. So we're in the Borough. Yeah, very cool. This is the false perspective chair. It's very, very clever. It doesn't look like it should be false perspective, but it is. It's really, really cool. There he is. So cool. Oh, Forbidden Forest is in here. Oh yeah.
Now let's see it.
So cool. So that's when they're teaching you how to do all of the Wand moves. Shades of pink.
And then we finished off with different black ones to create the shading for the apron. It was quite hard to get all the finishes in the time given, and it pushed us to
Wow, look at that. A Ministry of Magic fireplaces. "17 of these were used." Wow, look at that. Amazing. Going into the Forbidden Forest. Oh, it is like ET though in here. ET. I'm just forever comparing it to Universal. Sorry guys. Right, we're going into the Forbidden Forest. This is so cool. Oh my god, it feels like ET. Woo! Oh wow, look at him! This is so cool. Wow, look at the floor. With the spider, Jack? Oh, flip. Cut through what? To miss out the spider? Oh no, I don't, I don't know about this one. Oh my god, it's huge, it's huge. It's good that you can cut it out though, I suppose. Can you help me? Wow. I think that's the bit that I didn't like. I did not like that bit in the ride. No. I did, no. So we're going into, see the spiders now. Whoa. Oh, is it a huge one here? Oh my god. Should we wait? I want to wait for the next one. I want to see it again. Oh my god, I don't like it. Flip. Oh, look behind her, Jack. Cool. It is. I'm glad that somebody else knows who he is.
One of my favourite themed characters.
Me too. Hopefully he won't ever go away anytime soon.
Remember the original ride?
Yes,
yeah,
the Dream Finder.
Yeah, we need to get it back to that.
I know. Oh, it was really good. Thanks. You too. So I just met a guy that knows about Figment. You might have heard our conversation on there. Just chatting about he wants the Dreamfinder back. So Epcot, if you're listening, Disney, if you're listening, the guy from Warner Bros. Studios that controls the spiders wants the Dreamfinder back.